Will AH-64 Apache helicopters fight in Ukraine to stop Russian tank convoy? U.S. Apache military attack helicopters landed at Liavarde military airfield in Latvia on Thursday, hours after Russian forces invaded Ukraine. The arrival of the choppers was first announced last week, when it was billed as a participation to the biannual international U.S.-led exercise Sabre Strike. But on Thursday the Lithuanian defense minister was describing them as part of U.S. military reinforcements to the Baltic region after the Russian invasion of Ukraine. The Apache continues to evolve in the 21st century. The latest AH-64E Guardian model boasts uprated engines, remote drone control capabilities, and a sensors designed to highlight muzzle flashes on the battlefield below. The Apache's origins date back to the United States' withdrawal from the Vietnam War, as the Army turned its attention back to the huge mechanized armies of the Warsaw Pact. Helicopter gunships had proven highly useful in Vietnam for delivering precise strikes and loitering air support, but relatively lightly armed Viet Cong had shot down hundreds of them. The Red Army mustered heavier anti-aircraft defenses and huge tank armies that would not be fazed by miniguns and anti-personnel rockets. Seeking a helicopter fit to tackle Soviet tank division, the Army ultimately had to choose between the Bell Ya-63, which resembled a stretched-out Cobra, and the McDonnell Douglas Ya-64. Disliking the former's tricycle landing gear and two-shaft rotor, the Army selected the Ya-64 in 1976. Per custom, and even regulation, permission was obtained from Apache elders to name the helicopter after the Native American tribe. The AH-64A entered service in 1986, with 821 eventually delivered through 1996. These initially imposed heavy new maintenance demands on Army mechanics. First seeing action at night during the 1989 U.S. intervention in Panama, only 2 years later in the Gulf War did the Apache's capabilities truly become evident. The 278 AH-64s destroyed 500 armored vehicles for the loss of just one chopper to a rocket-propelled grenade.